Now to download Git, Git is free software. It's probably easiest just to go into a search engine and type Git download, and then you'll take you to the website. You can then pick whichever version you want. I'll go ahead and take the Windows download, and this will only take a minute, so we can go ahead through and run the download. Then there'll be a number of options to set up, and they can be kind of confusing. So it's probably a good idea to consider. And for me, I'm going to use mostly the defaults with one exception, and that is I want to choose my own editor. So I'll go ahead and go through the defaults here, and instead of using the Vim editor, I'm going to go ahead and use Visual Studio Code as the default editor, and then I'll click through, and you can look at most of these settings yourself and see whether or not they are appropriate. Like I said, for the most part, I'm just going to go ahead and use all the remaining defaults for this, and then click the install and get it going. All right, Git is complete, and we can go ahead and launch this. And you can see here the release notes come up, and we'll pull Git into the screen here, and then you can go ahead and check the version of Git. That command is git -- version. Okay, and then you are all set up for Git. Next up is GitHub Desktop.